Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am MyCodeWorks and watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to see how we are going to install PostgreSQL in Windows or PC or Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can see any of these. Okay, so let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So let's jump into the installation of Postgres. So first, what we are going to do is first we are going to search Postgres SQL and download. Okay, so we'll go directly on downloads of this Postgres SQL official site. Let's click on downloads Postgres, and then we'll choose based on your OS. You have to select this. Either it's a Linux if you are going with the Kali Linux or something Ubuntu, or if you have Mac OS, you can go with the Mac OS if you have remaining Solaris and other things. But as of now, we are going to install on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so we are going to select on Windows logo actually, right? So now if you click on this, as we can find out that the latest version I think is 16. Okay, so if you see here, the latest version of Postgres is 16. So let's directly click on download the installer. Okay, let's click on this download the installer. So now we have the latest version is 16.3, so we are going to install the 16.3, and we have 64-bit. This is not supported in 32-bit of systems, so we are going to click on this one. Okay, so let's click on this, and within few seconds I think we will be able to download. Okay, let's download this. Okay, so it will take little time. Till that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So finally, Postgres 16.3.2 is installed. It's downloaded in our system. Now we are going to install it. Okay, so in order to install this, we need to click on this icon. So let's open this, and we'll continue with the installation part now. So let's actually jump into the main window. Okay, so let's click on next, and we are going to install this Postgres SQL in C, and that directory we have to provide here. So let's click on next. If you want to change, you can change. I don't want to install this stack builder, so I will click on this to untick this. And remaining, I need Postgres SQL server I need, and pgAdmin I need, and command line tool also I need. So let's click on next, and the data that we create is going to be stored in the same directory Postgres SQL, and inside that data folder is there. You can also put any other data file that you want to store. So let's click on next, and this you can put, you can put as a root or the port you can set it as a 5432. It's a by default it comes, so you can set it, and then it should be electric whatever it's coming. Let's click on next, and let's click on next. So finally, this installation has been completed, and you can see that setup has been finished installing Postgres SQL on computer, and then click on finish. So let's refresh it, and we can check whether Postgres SQL is installed or not. We can directly go in Windows, and we can directly go and check. So just write just write SQL, you will get this PSQL. Okay, PSQL, right? Postgres SQL. So let's open this one and verify whether this Postgres is installed in our system or not. Postgres and password that we just added, that is root. Okay, and you can see that Postgres SQL, this command line terminal tool is now open, and we can verify the things. Okay, so let's check which version we installed. Select version. Okay, and then as you can see that we installed Postgres 16.3 compiler Visual ++ build 93 with 64-bit we have installed in our system. Windows 10 as the same process for Windows 11, so you can continue with the same installation for Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. And you can check the pgAdmin here also, so you can just check out the pgAdmin Postgres site. So we can get here, and the pgAdmin also here. You can check out this pgAdmin. So this pgAdmin is open in our system. You can connect with any of the server, and directly you can start with the things. Okay, so as you can see that enter the password, so it should be connect to the server. We enter the password for this, so it should be root, and then we can connect easily. Okay, so you can see that we are connected with the server and DB, easily, and we can check with the things, right, whatever is. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you have any issue, if you have any doubt installing this Postgres in system, please let me know in comment section. I will try to help you out. And please follow this Instagram, and as well as subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as I have created the page for MyCodeWorks on Facebook. You can follow and check out these links given, and we'll meet in this video. Till then, bye bye, happy installation.